This video might be the reason why you make a new habit or why you stay consistent in that new habit. I'm going to be covering two methods about habit creation so that it's easier for you to create habits that you want to create. So the first one is the might as well method. And the might as well method is when you're close to a place, so your brain says that you might as well do something. For example, you're close to the trash, so you might as well put whatever garbage you have inside it. For example, you're going outside, so you might as well take the trash with you. The might as well basically tells you that if you're near somewhere, you should do something. And that's the only way you should think about it. You might as well do something. That's what you're thinking. The second method is something called habit stacking. And this works very well with might as well. So I highly recommend you put them together. Habit stacking is when you're doing a habit, you sneak in another habit. For example, you have a habit of going on your computer in the morning. So when you go on your computer, you might as well check your email, or you might as well review your digital notes, or you might as well do anything you want. That's how you stack habits. Like you habit stack and then you combine it with might as well. So I'm in this car. So what habit can I stack? Recording videos. So I'm in the car and I'm going somewhere. I might as well record this video and then go. You have a habit you want to create, you just combine it with the habit you're already doing and you say you might as well do it. Just try this out. I genuinely think that this might save your consistency. This might make you more consistent. The way you can add this is, if you're a student, put your notebook in a place that is like on your desk. Just put your notes there, and then when you get close to your desk, just get a quick look in. You get me? So you sneak in revision. Like you want a habit of revision, you sneak in revision because your notes are open. You just have to read a few lines. Or you have to solve a question. If you're already sitting on your computer, you might as well just pull up the question, solve it, and then go. Now the harder the transition, the harder it will be, but might as well tries to smoothen. So the easiest way I like is like if it's in sync. For example, I wash my face, so I wash my hair. I wash my face, so I brush my teeth. I wash my face, so I do like anything. And the better the transition, the faster you can sneak it in. You want to sneak in the habit, and eventually it will become automated. For example, like when TikTok first came out, you were on your phone and then you downloaded the app. So you downloaded the app and then you opened the app because you're on your phone. If you weren't on your phone, how could you open the app? You get me? So the way you develop the habit of scrolling is that you were on your phone and then you sneaked in the habit of opening TikTok because it's so easy, because you're already on your phone. So you open TikTok, and then it was easy to scroll the first one, and then it just habit stacking, you know? You're on your phone, you open TikTok, and then you scroll. It's only habit stacking at this point. Again, the way I try this out is I'm in the car, so I might as well record a video. I'm on the couch, so I might as well script a video. I'm on my computer, so I might as well edit the video. It can be all of these things, and all of these things can be in sync. I first go on a couch to script the video, and then I go to my car to record it, and then I go back to my computer to edit it. It can all be in sync, and I think habit stacking combined with might as well just make it like it goes from A tier to S tier, if that makes you understand better. So you have to try this out at least once. If you have a habit you wanted to get into, just combine the might as well and the existing habit, and you can probably make a habit. Check out my free consistency jump starter, and if you have any questions, check out the Discord in the description.